I'm here sweating. I'm like taking a deep breath.
You're natural.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Yanilka Soto. I am a graduate student in the Nakamura lab, and I am currently a fifth-year PhD candidate at UCSF. I grew up in the beautiful island of Puerto Rico. I did my bachelor's degree there in cellular and molecular biology. And I was interested when I was doing my bachelor's in getting experience in research. I started doing research, but shortly after, Hurricane Maria basically destroyed the island. So I had to take a step back, wait a few months, and when it was safe to go back to school, I was very fortunate to apply for a fellowship and got it. I got the NIH BP Endure fellowship, which basically allows students from underrepresented backgrounds to do research in neuroscience. So thanks to that fellowship, I was able not only to conduct research, but also to do a few internships here in the United States. And it really furthered my interest in pursuing a PhD. So now I'm here at Gladstone working in the Nakamura lab, and I'm very happy. I think since I started doing research in neuroscience, I have been interested in understanding human biology with the purpose of developing treatments for diseases. I myself have a disease. I have Crohn disease, which is inflammatory bowel disease. So I understand the importance of research for developing treatments and how that impacts people. So I think Gladstone's mission in using science for overcoming disease really resonated with me. So I feel very fortunate to be here working now in the Nakamura lab. I work in the Nakamura lab, which basically focuses on understanding energy metabolism in the brain. And I work with understanding what are the genetic regulators of energy metabolism, because even though we know that energy is so important for the brain, we still don't understand really what are the genetic regulators that control energy for this organ, particularly neurons. So with our research, we're hoping that we can find some genes that are critical for regulating these processes, and hopefully that they can also be used for targeting drugs for diseases. So that's our hope. I really like this question because I often think about the women that came before me that paved the way to allow us to be here right now. For example, I had the opportunity to visit Marie Curie's museum in France, and she was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize, and just being there was very inspiring. So thinking about her and all the women that I get to work with here at Gladstone, it's something that really inspires me and keeps me motivated. So I feel very fortunate to be surrounded by not only a lot of female mentors here at Gladstone, but also a lot of female colleagues. They inspire me every day. I really like exercising and exploring around. The Bay Area is very pretty, so I really like to take advantage of that and explore nature. And one of my favorite things to do is look for spots to watch the sunset. I think I will say to try it out. I think you don't really know if you like something until you try it. So I think reaching out to laboratories or looking out for opportunities, like for example, Pumas here at Gladstone, and there are other ones at UCSF, for example, that offer opportunities for high school students. I think taking advantage of that can be really insightful to know if this is a career that you want to pursue. And also just talking to someone that's in the field right now. I think most of us are pretty open to talking to people interested. So I think reaching out and trying it out, it's the best way to figure out if you really like this and want to pursue it. I think something that I like to remind myself when things don't go as planned is why I am here and why we do what we do. Most of the times in research, things don't go as we wanted them. So I think taking a step back and realizing that what we're doing it's for a bigger cause, really brings me back and allows me to continue to do my research.